Okay, second game. Jumble. First ball possession. White. Oh, but! Atake na yan. White. Penetrate. White drop pass and draws a foul. 21. A push. First personal foul. Jersey number 21. Sideline throw in. Jersey number 65. Shot clock. Down to 10. Nasa on the left wing. Penetrate. Switch back. Shot clock winding down. Inward pass. Deflected. Steal. Interception yan para sa block. Jersey number 7. Asio aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound yan, jersey number 65. Era all the way to the hoop and denied. Same ball possession. Shot clock down to 16. Shot clock down to 16. Sideline throw in para sa White. And jersey number 5 receiving the shot clock down to 12. Aim for 3. On the right wing, no basket. Defensive rebound by jersey number 3. Atake ang block. Pensa naman ang block. Jersey number 6. Drop pass. Jersey number inward pass. Scrambling for the ball. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha ng 5 pass. 65. Binoma pa all the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. First blood. Para sa White. Starting ngayon ng G's. Hinaharas kagad. Looking for a pass. Pinas steal. By jersey number 5. All the way to the hoops. No basket. Defensive rebound. Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 3. Outnumbered ang defense. 2 and 1. And traveling violation. Turnover. Parang White. Cross-court pass to jersey number 65, Rivera. On the corner, left wing. Air ball, aim for 3. Scrambling for the ball na ako ng G's. The defensive rebound ng G's. Pass to jersey number 21. To Estacio. Shot lock down to 14. Penetrate. And draws a foul. And a basket. Basket. Foul. Basket count. Bonus shot. Shoot. Box out ng uno yan para sa White. Atake yan 5 para sa White. Pass break yan. On the left wing, off the ring, tinapik ang bola. Nakuha ng bet. Drop, no basket. Another offensive rebound yan. Ooh. Loses the ball outbound. Atake ulit ang G's. Turnover yan para sa block. Pass to Estacio, jersey number 3. Penetrate, engaging. No basket. Ooh, a putback by jersey number 3. 4-2. Discarding ngayon jersey number 5. Hinaharas kagad ang depensa. On the right wing. Didiskarte. Pick up on top of the key. Connects 3 points. Jersey number 5. And White grabs the lead. 1 point lead para sa White. Change favor. Atake sa east. On the left wing, atake 23. Sa G's. Shot lock, counting down, penetrate ang G sa baseline. Kick out, jersey number 23, aim for 3, off the ring. And back out yan, baka sa 5. Atake 5, crossover move, pull up, off the glass, connect 2 points. 7-4, Black down by 3 points. Buban. Didiskarte para sa Black. Scouting the floor. Aim for 3. Oh, overshoot. Outbound. Pass break agad. Atake 65. All 2. Naharas. Shot lock down to 12. Nakita on the left corner. Aim for 3. Connect 3 points. Mandatory substitution. Okay, back to the ball game. Black down by 6 points. Atake ngayon. On the left wing. Show aim for 3 off the ring. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha ng doble 8. Foul. By jersey number 1. Nangahasel yun. Nang haras. Foul jersey number 1. Sideline throw in para sa White. Jersey number 3 receiving the ball. On the left wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring, defensive rebound ng uno. Asa si Sagay. Agay, drop pass lang yan. Shot lock down to 14. Inward pass. Nakita sa Lopos yun. Naku, steal. Hindi na receive. Sayang. Atake 28. Bautista. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola sa 7. Papambol. Atake yung Sagay. Naitawid ang bola. On the right wing, aim for 3. Short. Natapik ang bola para sa 11. Palaka. Hinaharas ka agad. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha pa rin. Na-retrieve. Pull up. Mid-range J. No basket. Defensive rebound ng uno. Atake. Jersey number 67. Sagay. Penetrate. All the way. No basket. Outbound. Last touch White. Same ball possession. Shot lock down to 12. Shot lock down to 12 seconds. Up. Shot lock down to 12. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound ng 3. Pass break. 11. No basket. Defensive rebound 7. Inalig sa 7 ang bola. Goes to post all the way. Denied. And draws a foul. Jersey number 28. Harder than free throw. Sa 7. Free throw. First throw. Basket count. Second row. Wala. 1 out of 2. Box out para sa White. Atake ulit 28. Asa sa 3. Palaka. Jersey number 11. On the left wing. Perimeter shot. Off the ring. Defensive rebound ng uno. Pass break. Yan. Atake Sagay. Hindi nakatalikod yun. Atake 20. Drop pass, nice pass off the glass. Connect 2 points by jersey number 7. Black down by 3 points. 10-7. Official score. On the left wing, switch back sa 7. On the right wing, transition of play. Penetrate, 28. On the left wing, aim for 3. Short. Defensive rebound para sa Black. Pass break na kagad yan. Stop and pop. Short. Nako pa rin niya ng block. Inward pa sa 7. Layup. Basket. Off the glass. 9-10. 1 point lead block. White. Nahasel 22. 8 seconds. Violation. Turnover. Turnover para sa block. An even score, 1 point lead, White. Sagay, scouting the floor. Inward pa sa 7. Back, kick out. Nakita ang uno. Binalik sa 20. Atake sa baseline on the side. Connects 2 point. And change favor. Black grabs the lead. 1 point lead, Black. On the left wing, aim for 3. Airball. Backs out yan para sa Black. Nahasel ng 11. Shoot! Atake uno. Sagay. On the left wing, inward pass. Ang 82, binomba pa. Basket. 13-10. 3-point lead. Block. Dying second, shot clock off in this first period. Akin, no basket. A putback ng 28. And the first period. Back to the ball game. Second period. 13-12. 1 point lead. Block. Next arrow possession. White. Alternating arrow. Jersey number 3 receiving the ball para sa Block. Setting up the play. Pass to Jersey. Inward pass. Nakita. Denied. Sayang naman ang pass. Intercepted. Take 21. Hinaharas kaagad ng depensa. Nasa east. Magbanwa. Transition of play on the left wing. Penetrate. Ang 5. Engaging. Nakita ang 17. Shot clock. Winding na 3. Second. Ay, traveling violation. Turnover. A traveling violation. Turnover for Black. Casio. Sa agad yun. Ayop. Traveling violation. Turnover. Nakalimutan lang mag-dribble nun. Atake ang 5. Para sa White. Nangahasel ang 21. Para sa 21. Pull up. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha ng 5. Atake sa baseline. And draws a foul. Jersey number 23 yung foul. Dahil yung period nyo, baguhin nyo. Atake 5, pull up. Airball. Second period na tayo. Laris. Second period na. Pull up. No basket. Offensive rebound, follow-up shot. 21, connects 2 points. And White grabs the lead. Change favor. 1 point lead. An even score. Aim for 3 on top of the key of the ring. Defensive rebound, 5. Engaging all the way, pushing through. No basket. Defensive rebound, 23. Atake 3. Nakita 21. Field drop of the ring. Offensive rebound, 21. Piasa lang yan. Drop pa sa 18. Naipit. Steal. Atake 5. Basio. Engaging and foul sa baba. out. White. Hindi. Hindi. Second period. First period lang yan. Okay, back to the ball game. Same ball possession, shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Atake sa baseline, Beti Uno. Loses the ball. Turnover. Para sa block. Atake 18. Pasa kay Stasio, jersey number 3 engaging and draws a foul. A reaching foul by jersey number 17. Shot lock down to 18. Stasio didiskarte para sa block. Pasa sa 21. Shot lock. Counting down. Aim for 3. Oh, perimeter shot. No basket. Backs out yan ng White. Atake ang 5 on the left wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Ako 21. Kick out ang pasa sa 3-point area. Atake 21. Shot lock down to 10. Nakita ang 15 ron. Shot lock. Winding down. Steal. And 18. Pushing through ang 21. Connects 2 points bouncing. And change favor. 1-point lead block. At even score. Jersey number 5 orchestrating the play. Pass to jersey number 15 engaging. Teardrop shot. Offensive rebound pa rin niya. Hinaras. And loses the ball. Outbound. Turnover. Out of bounds. Stasio receiving the ball para sa block. On the right wing. Hinaharas ang 21. Pasa sa baseline. Naipit. Scrambling for the ball. Same ball possession. Block. Shot lock 14. Shot lock 14. Patch and shoot. Basket ng 21. Substitution. Mandatory. Block. Leading by 3 points. Atake ang White. Switch box 28. Shot lock down to 10. On the right wing, connects 3 points. Jersey number 65. Atake sa right wing 20. Asa check engaging ang 67. Naipit and traveling violation. Turnover. Deadlock ang score. First deadlock, 17-all. Hinaharas ang 28 ni Sagay. Inward pa sa uno. Kick out. On the right wing, aim for 3. Air ball. Shot lock. And draws a foul sa baba. The jersey number 82. Shot lock reset to 14. Within 4 minutes in this first half, on top of the key. Off the ring, tapik ang bola ni Isagay. Pinasa lang yan, a pull up. Shoot! Kanya pa ulit, another attempt, binomba, no basket again. Nakuha ni Isagay sa ilalim, wala pa rin yan. Another attempt, wala pa rin yan. Defensive rebound na ng uno yan. And may nakitang foul by jersey number 7, a pushing foul. Penalty situation na. Penalty situation. Ang block. Basket, first throw. And White breaks the tie. 18-17. Second throw. It's a 2 for 2. 19-17. 2-point lead White. Pass break kagad sa 20 yan. 5. Perimeter. Short. Aim for 2. Atake sa baseline. Basket. Another deadlock. 19-0. Within 3 minutes. Remaining time in this first half. Low post pass. Naku po, naharas. Atake sa baseline. Shot clock winding down. Binigay sa baseline. No basket. Another attempt. Connects 2 points. A putback ng uno. And White breaks the tie. Sagay di diskarte. Crossover move. Pasa lang sa baseline. Kick out. Jersey number 7, aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound ng Chiefs. It's a 2-and-1 situation na atake kagad. Ang 65. No basket. Sagay di diskarte. Penetrate. Denied. Short. 28. Hinaharas kagad. No basket. Defensive rebound 7. Atake ang uno. Sa 28. Drop pa sa uno. Layup. Finger roll. Basket. 23-19. Timeout. White leading by 2 ball possession, 4 points. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 20 receiving the ball. Switch back. Sending back to Sagay. Scouting the floor. Setting up the play for Black. Inward pass sa 7. Kick out. Sagay on top of the key of the ring, aim for 3. Defensive rebound White. Kare 28. On the right wing, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 26-19. Atake ang 20. Vega to Sagay. Switch to 5, aim for 3 of the ring. Box out yan ng G's. Hinaharas ni Sagay. Naipit na, na-pressure, steal ni Sagay. Attack sa baseline. Jambol. White ball. Next out of possession, block. A minute to go in this first half. Tari 28 scouting the floor. Penetrate. Nakita, drop pa sa uno. Shoot. Defensive rebound niya para sa Black. Pass break, intercepted, a bad pass. Atake 65. And draw sa foul. 82. Foul. Penalty situation ng Black. Black in penalty situation. Basket first throw. Draw. Wala. 1 out of 2. Scotty Black on the right wing. Atake ngayon sa baseline. Switch back na 82. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound yan. Para sa White. Atake 1. Jersey number 65. Red Pera. Shot. Dying second. Shot lock off. Dying seconds in this first half. Layup, no basket. End of the first half. Saksak mo. Okay, back to the ball game. Second half, third period. Back to the ball game. Sean. Third period. Black ball, change goal. Second half. Next arrow possession, alternating arrow, White. Atake ang Black. On the right wing, nakita sa low position, fade away shot, short, nothing but glass. Defensive rebound yan, para sa White, pass break sa 12. Dito, Kikalaka, aim for 3. Airball, outbound. Turnover. Para sa Black. Iba ng bola. Jersey number 3. Hinaharas ka agad ang depensa. Eustacio penetrate, engaging, and draws a foul. Jersey number 11, yung may foul. Blocking foul. Sideline throwing para sa Black. Atake si Eustacio, diskarte. Inward pass, open wide zone. No basket. Atake ang White, defensive rebound para sa White. Velosa, as Jason Wade, binomba pa. Basket. On the side. 29-19. Double digit na ang laman. Drop pass lang yan sa 18 and foul. Jersey number 17. Sideline throw in para sa Block. Takay si Estacio. Perimeter of the ring. Defensive rebound, Becheres. Dinalik ulit. Side. Connects 2 points. 21-29. Atake ngayon ang White Relosa. Pass to jersey number 17 on the right wing. Switch back Relosa on the left wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Nakuha pa rin ng 11. Drop pass lang yan. Sa 17. Shot clock winding down. Atake sa baseline. Aim for 3 on the right wing. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. Follow-up shot. Shoot. Defensive rebound. Sa East. Para sa block. Atake na Estacio. Hinaharas. And foul. Jersey number 11. A blocking foul. Atake Estacio. Hinaharas kaagad ang depensa. Penetrate sa baseline. And draws a foul. From jersey number 17. Awarded ang free throw kay Estacio. First throw. Basket count. Second throw. Basket again. It's a 2 for 2. 23-29. Black down by 6 points. Atake Relosa. Pass to jersey number 17 on the right wing. Back Relosa on top of the key. In and out. Aim for 3. Estacio controls the board. Crossover move Estacio. Naipit. Drop pass lang yan. And connects 2 points. Off the glass. 25-29. Black down by 4 points. Naging single digit na ang lamang ng White. Atake 88. Connects 2 points. A clutch point. Para sa White. Atake Estacio. On the right wing. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. 88. Atake ang 11. Pass to Relosa. Jersey number 12. Back to Relosa. Penetrate, engaging, teardrop. Connects 2 points. 33-25. 8-point lead. White. Atake na yung Buban. Oh! Traveling violation. Turnover. Atake ngayon ang White on the left wing. Cross-court pass sa right wing. Atake 17. Naiwan yun. 3 seconds violation. Turnover. Within 5 minutes in this third period. Atake Estacio is scouting the floor. On the right wing, atake 21. And draws a foul. Jersey number 17. Ano foul? Substitution. Mandatory substitution for both teams. First throw. Basket. Second throw. Wala. 1 out of 2. Back out ng White. Atake si Rivera. Asa lang yun. Layup. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Substitution yung thrower kanina para sa block. Atake 67. Jersey number 22. And to Sagay. Inward pass. Switch back down. On the left wing. Short. Aim for 3. Outbound. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. in this third period. Nine-point lead, White on the right wing, aim for three, off the ring. Atake ulit ang White. Rivera, shot lock down to 10. Penetrate, engaging, picks him. Ooh, drop pass, nice pass, under the goal, back door. Connects 2 points. Atake ngayon ng block. Inward pass sa to Sagay, sidestep, takes and pop, connects 2 points. Atake 65, filtrate and draws a foul, basket count. A blocking foul by jersey number 10. $39.28. Body shot. Basket, bonus shot. Kate si Sagay. Para sa block, orchestrating the play, setting up the play for block. On the right wing. Corner side, block! Tinapit ang bola. Almost a steal. Na-retrieve pa yun. Nasa sa 7. On the side. Connects 2 points. 30-40. 10-point lead, White. Lopos. Pan-drop pa sa uno and draws a foul. Awarded ang free throw. Of shooting. Short first throw. Second throw. Within 2 minutes remaining time in this third period. Basket. 1 out of 2. 11-point lead, White. Sagay. Opensa naman. On the left wing, atake uno. A pull up, off the ring. Defensive rebound din ang uno yan para sa White. Atake 5. Nakita, deflected. Deflected ang pasa. Outbound, same ball possession. Shot lock down to 21. Shot lock down to 21 seconds. Atake 5 on the right wing. Atake yun. Inward pa sa 65. Steal ng 7. Pasa niya sa 20. 5. A pull up. No basket. Offensive rebound. And same ball possession. Last touch, White. Shot lock down to 16. Atake. Oh! Traveling violation. Nakalimutan mag-dribble. Naratel na yun. Atake 28. Inward pa sa uno. Switch back sa yun. Atake sa baseline yung 5. No basket. Block. Outbound. Last touch, White. A minute to go in this third period. 11-point lead, White. Atake si Sagay. Hinaharas ka agad ng 5. Penetrate. Engaging. All the way. No basket. Defensive rebound. Para sa White. Hinaras. Steal ng 7. Nakita ngayon, binomba pa. No basket. Defensive rebound. Nangharas pa yun. Almost a steal. Atake 28. Astro Rivera aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound block. Dying seconds. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola na ng White. Dying seconds in this third period. 10 seconds. Dying seconds. In the corner, atake, perimeter. Connects 2 points. Buzzer beater. End of the third period. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 10 minutes. Last and final quarter. White. Next arrow possession, alternating arrow, block. Last 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes. Atake ngayon. Inward pass, 88. A pull out on the side, short. Offensive rebound, follow-up shot, short again. Off the ring, defensive rebound. Para sa block. Estacio. At Susagay. Estacio. Hindi diskarte, penetrate, and draws the foul. Awarded ang free throw kay Estacio. First throw. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. One out of two. By Estacio. Nangahasil pa rin yun. Sagay. On the right wing, atake sa baseline. 5 na ipit. Hesitate. Sa jersey 65, Rivera. Penetrate. Drop pass lang yan. Shot lock. Winding down on the side. Shoot. Box out yan para sa block. Atake Estacio. Crossover move. Nagpambol. Natapik. Last touch ang White. Almost a steal. White ball. Last touch block. On the right wing, didiskarte ang 5. Susubukan engaging a pick and roll on the side. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha pa 22. A bad pass. Intercepted ng 23. Nakakuha ni Sagay. Atake sa East. Naipit. And draws a foul. By jersey number 5. Wala ang first throw, second throw. Sayang. Walang conversion sa free throw. Nangahasel si Sagay doon. On the right wing, sweeps back Rivera. Drop pass, deflected. Same ball possession. Last touch block. Shot clock down to 13. Substitution. Shot clock down to 13. 13 seconds. Ooh. Timeout. Block. Okay, back to the ball game. Shot clock down to 13. 13 seconds to shoot. Al 22. Nagpapambol ang 12. Shot clock winding down. On the side, shoot. Defensive rebound yan. Para kay Stasio. Atake 7, layup, wala. Same ball possession. Block. Asa kay Stasio. A pull up mid-range J off the ring. Nakakuha ng 12 yun. Atake ulit ang White. Jersey number 5 on the left wing, aim for 3 of the ring. Offensive of 21. Pinasaron on the side. Kick out on the right wing, aim for 3 short. Stasio controls the board. There's a block. It's a 3-and-3 situation. Naipit si Stasio. Hook shot, no basket. A 4 shot. Pasa. Loses the ball. Outbound. Substitution. Substitution. Okay, 20. Orchestrating the play. To Adam. Jersey number 18. Attack sa baseline. On the side, no basket. That's White. Shot clock 14. Nakita. And foul. Jersey number 28. Hacking foul. Jersey number 28. Basket, first throw. Second throw. One out of 2. Asa kay Rivera, crossover move, a pull up, mid-range J, no basket, defensive rebound para sa 20. On top of the key. Of the ring. Offensive rebound, Stasio. Follow-up shot, a putback. Basket. Ay, Stasio. Atake ang White. Herbacio. Jersey number 28. Back to Herbacio. On the left wing, aim for 3. Off the ring. In and out. Defensive rebound block. Pinasa na kay Stasio. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 37-43. Baba na sa single digit ang laman ng White. Lopos. Bad pass. Taka Estacio. Coast to coast. Connects 2 points. 39-43. Timeout White. Hey, back to the ball game. Within 4 minutes remaining time. Four-point lead, White. Taka 28. To Herbacio, shoot, nothing but love, back out yan para sa steal ni Herbacio. Foul by Estacio, a reaching foul by Estacio. Shot clock 14. Aim for 3, no basket. And foul sa baba. Jersey number 1. Shot clock reset to 14. Shot clock counting down. Inward pa sa uno. On the right wing, aim for 3. Short. Defensive rebound niya para sa block. Pinasa kay Estacio. Jersey number 3. On top of the key. Off the ring. Ooh, line violation. Turnover. Stepping on the line. Pass break na yan. Ooh, deflected, outbound. Last touch from Betty Unron. Shot clock 21. Shot clock winding down. Inward pass. Naipit. Kick out ulit. Penetrate. Engaging. Drop pass lang sa uno. Denied. Naipit ang uno. Another attempt, ang lalim. Pinasa na yan. Loses the ball, hindi na-receive yun. Sayang. Substitution. Ayan, 5. Basher. Atake sa right wing. On the corner. Atake ngayon. On top of the key. Shoot. Foul. A loose ball foul by jersey number 15. Ayan, block. 4-point lead, White. Atake Estacio. Penetrate. Short. Offensive rebound, kick out. Busagay, penetrate, layup. Connects 2 points. 2-point lead, White. Last 2 minutes. Bautista. Nicky. Number 5 and draws a foul. Jersey number 20. 5. Basket count, first row. Second row. Ooh. Black. Okay, Black. Jumble. Nasa to Sagay. Ito si 5 on top of the key. Of the ring. Oh, foul. By jersey number 1. Penalty na ba?
Penalty, warning for penalty, Kobe.
A minute and 40. Kay Rivera. Sa White. Nakasin si Sagay. Almost a steal. Switch back to Rivera. Nakita ang uno. Perimeter. No basket. Tinatik. Oh, may foul. Push. Penalty. Black in penalty. Wala. Second throw. Walang binasket. Box out ng Black. Takay si Sagay. Asa. Left switch back. Deflected. Yanit ni Estacio. Penetrate. Na pick and roll. Layup. No basket. Put back ng uno. 1 point lead. Alsa White. A minute to go. At even score. Oh. Pang violation. Gervasio. Pinaharas ni Sagay. Penetrate. Layup. Denied. Atake Estacio. All the way and a push. Pushing foul. Jersey number 65. Basket, first throw, deadlock. 44 all. 39 seconds remaining time in this final quarter. It's a 2-for-2 time out. 45 44 1 point lead Block. 39.7 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. 39.7 seconds. Shot clock 14. Diskarte ng white. Change favor. 1 point lead block. Shot clock winding down. Penetrate. Pull up. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. Atake Sagay. 2-on-1 situation layup and throws a foul. Jersey number 15. 21 seconds remaining time.
Last time out yan sila.
Ooh, na-pressure na. Second throw. 21 seconds remaining time. Walang binasket. Box out pa rin niya ni Sagay and draws a foul. Time out. Block. Back to the ball game. Both teams in penalty situation. First throw. Second throw. Timeout. White. 18 seconds remaining time. Okay, back to the ball game. Shot clock 14. And remaining time 18 seconds. Shot clock 14. A differential of 4 seconds sa game clock. And shot clock. Shot clock 14. 3-point lead. Block. Aatake sa baseline. Layup, shoot. Tinapik ang bola. Nakakuha ng 7 and foul. Jersey number 5. 6.7 seconds. Basket. 6.7 seconds remaining time in this final quarter. One out two. Pasa na yan kay Rivera. Aim for 3. Shoot. And of the ball game.